People saying goodbye to friends and family on the dock. Soon there's the final whistle from the ship announcing it's time to sail. The dock hands unmoor the ship's ropes, or hawsers, as they're called. The tug at the bow or head end of the ship reverses engines while the stern tug begins to pull the rear end of the ship away from the dock. So both tugs are in action, and signals are whistled back and forth between the pilots of the tugs and the ship. This is real teamwork, team. Teamwork. The little tugs act as second rudders.